How to delete a page in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to delete a page in the Hostinger Website Builder. Or the editor, we are going to head over the Hostinger platform of ours. So we are going to type in hostinger.com, then we are going to visit the Hostinger panel or the dashboard of our account by signing in. As you can see, we have the account signed in. Now we are going to click or select the websites and select the website lists. So we are going basically here to select the website that we want to delete that page from. So it is going to show you here all the websites that you own. For example, I own this, and I will make sure that we have the Hostinger logo inserted in here. So this is going to be the most valuable thing because we are going to make sure that this is a Hostinger editor. We're going to click on edit website. From here, we're going to wait for the website to load its elements. Now, in the meanwhile, I'm going to let you know that Hostinger is from the best navigators or the best editors that I have tried from the past because it is going to have a fluid navigation, also some very improved adjustment to the navigator or the um, as you can see control panel for the editor, and it is going to be very smooth to deal with and also very quick. Now what are we going to do is to head over the pages and navigation. So from here we are going to get the pages or the links that we have on our website, and these are going to be set up in just here. So we are going to have this. I'm going to select one of the, as you can see, pages that I want to delete. Basically, you can hide a page or delete it. So I am going to have, for example, this the blog. I think the blog one. So basically, I'm going to have this. I'm going to click on the blog, and then we can see that we can make the page as a home page, or we can see that it is going to be hidden from the navigation, and also we can delete it. So if you do not want to delete that page, you can hide it from the navigation and it will be classed in here on the hidden from navigation. And if you want to delete it completely, you're going to click on the gear icon just like that, click on delete and delete it just with this simplicity. So you can do that for nearly all the links, or as you can see, drop down menus. This is a drop down menu. You can do that. Also, you can hide it from navigation. Also, for the link that we have, for example, this return policy is going to be a link. We can go ahead and do that and delete it. Basically, that was pretty much it. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.